Welcome to MatheNatic. We are busy revising algebra for grade 12, paper 1. So we are given x times 3 minus x is equal to negative 3. And we want to solve for x to 2 decimal places. Our first step is to multiply out. So we say x times 3, and that is 3x. Then x times negative x, which becomes negative x squared. And there's nothing to multiply out on the right-hand side. Next, we want to write the equation in standard form. In this example, I chose to put everything on the right-hand side equal to 0. And the reason why I wanted to do that is because I wanted to have the x squared as a positive number or a positive coefficient. So remember that when we transpose terms or move them from the left-hand side to the right-hand side, then we need to change its sign. So negative x squared becomes plus x squared, and plus 3x becomes negative 3x. Notice that negative 3 is already on the right-hand side, and it will stay negative 3. Now, in order to find x to 2 decimal places, we would need to use the quadratic equation, which you can find on your formula sheet. So remember that b is the term in front of x, or the coefficient of x, which is negative 3. The a value is the coefficient in front of x squared, and in this example, that is 1. So everywhere where we see a in the equation, we would substitute that with positive 1. And c is the constant value which stands alone, and there is only one c value to substitute. Notice that I do my substitution or show my substitution in brackets, because this will avoid it looking like negative 41 minus 3. So if you don't use brackets, can you see how quickly this information can be misinterpreted? And in your final exam, you would need to show the substitution. You don't have to rewrite the formula, even though I recommend you do that, but you must show the substitution into the equation. And lastly, would use your calculator to find x is 3.79 and x is negative 0.79. You can also check your answers with the white Casio calculator. So what you do is you press mode on your calculator, then a few options will pop up, and you choose option 5 that says equation. And then again, a few options will pop up, and you choose number 3 that says ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. And you would enter then the a value as 1, because that is the coefficient of x squared, the b value as minus 3, and the c value also as negative 3. And then you press equals, and it will give you x1 as 3 plus the root of 21 over 2. Then you simply press SD, and that answer would be 3.79. If you press equal again, you'll get x2 as 3 minus root of 21 over 2. And again, you press SD, and it will give you the answer of negative 0.79. Thank you for watching. Remember to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to MatheNatic.